Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. For those who don't know me, I am Miss Maryham, science and chemistry teacher. So hurry up and like our Facebook page, like for this video, subscribe for our channel and activate the bell. Inshallah, our lesson today called reflection and refraction. By the end of this lesson, you will know light reflection, identify the types of light reflection, recognize laws of light reflection, and you will know also light refraction and the types of it, laws of light refraction, and relate the natural phenomena with light reflection and refraction. Let's start. Light reflection. What is meant by light reflection? It is the rebounding of light waves in the same medium on meeting a reflecting surface. So, light reflection, it is the rebounding of light. By the way, rebounding means returning back. So, it is the returning back of light in the same medium on meeting a reflecting surface. Reflecting surface like a mirror. There are many examples for light reflection as the shadow, and also this phenomenon, it's like the shadow but it's inverted image, so these trees have an inverted image, so this phenomenon called mirage. Okay, next. Types of light reflection. It classified according to the nature of the reflecting surface into regular reflection or uniform reflection and irregular reflection. The regular reflection, the reflection of light rays when they meet smooth surface. Number 2, the incident rays are reflected in one direction. So, regular reflection when it is a smooth surface and it occurs in one direction. Examples like plain mirror, stainless steel, sheet of aluminium, the foil paper. Okay. Irregular reflection, the reflection of light rays when they meet rough surface. The incident rays are reflected in different directions, in many directions. Examples like leaf of tree, piece of paper, leather, wool. So, this is regular reflection. All the incident rays are reflected in one direction, and this is smooth. But the irregular reflection, the incident rays are reflected in many directions, different directions, and this surface is rough. So again, regular reflection needs smooth surface, but irregular reflection needs rough surface. 2. The incident rays are reflected in one direction. But here, in irregular reflection, in different directions. Okay. Next, some basic concepts of light reflection. This picture, this is a smooth reflecting surface. The incident ray, the ray that we fold it, then it reflected, so this is the reflected ray. So 1, angle of incidence, this is called angle of incidence. It is the angle between the incident ray and the line perpendicular to the reflecting surface. This line is perpendicular, so this angle is called angle of incidence, as it is between the incident ray and the normal line or the perpendicular to the reflecting surface. Number 2, angle of reflection, the same. It is the angle between the reflected ray, this is the reflected ray, and the line perpendicular to the reflecting surface. So this is angle of incidence and angle of reflection. 3, the normal line, as we said that the normal line is the perpendicular line to the reflecting surface. This one is called normal line. 4, the incident light ray. It is a narrow light beam represented by a straight line intersects with the reflecting surface. This is the incident light ray, which means the fallen ray. Okay. 5. The reflected ray. It is a narrow light beam represented by a straight line that is reflected from the reflecting surface. It gets out from the reflecting surface. Okay, after knowing these concepts, so you have to know the laws of light reflection. The first law, the angle of incidence equal angle of reflection. As you see, angle of incidence, this one, equal the angle of reflection, this one. So here, this angle equal the other angle or the reflected angle. The second law, the incident light ray, the reflected light ray, and the normal line all lie in one plane perpendicular to the reflecting surface. All the rays, all the lines, the incident light ray, the reflected light ray, and the normal line all lie in one plane perpendicular to the reflecting surface. And about this figure, angle of reflection and angle of incidence, there is a direct relation between them, as we know that this straight lines means direct relation. So, by increasing the angle of incidence, the angle of reflection also increases as both of them are equal. Okay, let's solve some questions. What happens if, number 1, a light ray falls perpendicular on a reflecting surface? Light ray falls perpendicular on a reflecting surface. Let's imagine it. So, okay, this is the reflecting surface, and there is a light ray falls perpendicular, so it will fall like that, perpendicular. And we have also the normal line. Okay, so let's see. Angle of incidence equal angle of reflection. So this is the angle of incidence. This is the incident ray, and the angle of incidence is the angle between this ray and the normal line. And this angle is equal, yes, 0. So when it falls perpendicular, it will reflect on itself. So here the ray will reflect on itself. Okay, 2. A light ray is incident on a mirror by an angle equal 30. Okay, let's see. A light ray is incident on a mirror with an angle 30. So again, this is the mirror, okay, and this is the normal line, and an incident ray falls with angle incident ray falls with angle 30. So it reflects. Yes, it will reflect with the same angle because the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. So it will reflect with the same angle. So this angle also will be 30. So the answer will be it will reflect with an angle equal 30 degree. Okay. 3. A light ray meets a rough surface. So it will reflect in many directions. That means that it is an irregular reflection. Okay, what is meant by? The angle of reflection of light ray equal 50 degrees. Okay, this means that the angle between the reflected ray and the normal line equals 50 degree. 2. Light reflection. What is light reflection? Yes, it is the returning back flight in the same medium when it meets a reflecting surface. Okay, we have finished. Thank you for watching and I hope that you all get benefit. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to like our Facebook page, subscribe for our channel and activate the bell.